In this video we are showing how make fault interpretation in seismic imaging. The seismic imaging was acquired in shallow water, marine shallow water, and in making evidence marine clay with fault propagation. In marine clay we have two images. The first image was making time migration in TM, conventional velocity model with minimal viscoacoustic correction, and the second was improved with viscoacoustic compensation and accurate velocity model that was acquired along the vertical sides of seismic image. So the confrontation of these two kind of image make in advance the new technique of depth migration and viscoacoustic compensation in seismic image. The depth migration with viscoacoustic correction improve reflectors sharpness and position the fault more accurately. In fact, if you make comparison between these two images, we have also a difference because we have the conversion time into depth, and there are also, for example, the conversion of the angle. So in depth migration we have the correction of angle of fault that is around here is around minus 20 degree from north-south, and here there is a correction, if you see, is still vertical. So fault orientation is slightly oblique and affects the deep angle interpretation different in these two type of image. So it's really advanced the processing of seismic image with depth migration and applying viscoacoustic correction for marine clay when we have marine clay sediments.